Welcome to another segment of how-to videos from SM Productions. Today we're going to be talking about the basics of equalization. You can find more videos on whythatsoundsgood.com. Equalization is the boost or attenuation of part of the audible spectrum. There's four basic types of equalizers: graphic equalizer, fixed frequency, selectable frequency, and a parametric equalizer. First, we're going to start with graphic equalizers. These typically have 7 to 15 bands. The bands are usually similar to the basic 10-octave bands of the audible spectrum. These typically also have 10 to 15 decibels of boost or cut that you can use. And these are most common for front-of-house PA systems and monitor mixes. Next, we have fixed frequency EQs. These typically have 3 or more bands that cannot be changed. The bands are usually highs, mids, and lows. This one has actually 2 mids, a high mid and a low mid. Now these typically have about 15 decibels of boost and cut that you can use. These are most common in guitar amplifiers and small format mixers. Selectable frequency EQs are just about the same as fixed frequency EQs, except you get 1 or 2 selectable frequencies. This illustration denotes the selectable frequencies on the white knob, and the blue knob is the boost and cut for the selected frequency. These are most common in live sound mixers. On to parametric equalizers. These give you complete control over all frequency bands. They're typically found in studios and in large format live sound applications. This EQ gives you control over 5 different frequency bands. It also gives you a low pass filter and a high pass filter. These cut out high frequency material or low frequency material. In this EQ you get control over the frequencies and the gain, as well as what's called the Q width, which is the quality factor or the size of the bell curve. Now I'm going to show you how to sweep frequency bands. Now when you're sweeping a frequency, you want to start with boosting the gain of the EQ band at least 6 decibels. Then you want to sweep the frequency selector from low to high, listening for mutter clutter of the signal. Here we can hear the mud in the signal. Then typically what you want to do is cut that frequency to the desired amount. And that's the basic of equalizers. Thanks for watching today, folks. Be sure you check out whythatsoundsgood.com for more videos.